Hi! Welcome to Platform Mastery. In this video, I will show you how to create room on Character AI. After logging into your Character AI account, click on Create here. And then, Create Room. Create your room name. And select the characters you want to add in the room. You can also add topic here, but it is optional. And click on Create. And that's it. I hope this video helps you. Thanks for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you get notified for our new uploaded videos. See you next time!